a lot of you, marami sa inyo may pinagdadaanan. Depression, you've hit the rock bottom, nawala ng pera, na drain, financially drained, nalugi, or something like, may hindi nag-work about sa pera. I feel like in the past or recently, nagkasakit kayo, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. Some of you nagkasakit sa puso o may sakit sa puso ngayon. May dinaramdam currently yung iba sa inyo. And right now, for some of you, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, wala kayong pera with the Five of Course. Five of Pentacles. Nasasaktan kayo, nadidepress kayo kasi sa kawalan ng pera talaga. Five of Pentacles. Look at this. Five of Pentacles in conjunction with the Three of Swords. The Three of Swords is a card of suffering. Umiiyak, panlulumo, depression, heartbreak, suffering. Financially